Greeting guys, today we are here to learn how to simulating the data in Excel for the basic learners in Excel. For everything you need some data, for example the title, book, car, pen, and etc. Never mind. For each title you need a value. The values randomly. That's it. For simulating these data with each other, you need to put the equal and separately plus them means select a cell and plus the cell plus cell plus cell plus and etc. But it's not recommended because it's too make it too long and it's not recommended. We have the simplest and the best way. After you selected the data and put enter, you see the results here. But the simplest way and the best way is to plusing or summarizing this data equal and typing the sum. After you type the sum and double click on this, and then you selecting this data as an chart, you see the results here, and that was equal to the previous message that we had. It's the best way to solve this problem and the simplest way. Okay, have a nice time and best wishes for you, and don't forget to subscribe and also see the other basic learning in Excel or other applications. Best wishes.